Here at Console, we are going to be showing you today how to change the blades on an overlocker machine. The machine we'll be using for this is a Juki MO6840S 3-thread overlocker. However, the principles are the same no matter what overlocker you're doing it on, and can be done by simply following this process. First, you're going to want to start off by lifting up the safety glass, pushing the lever at the back and moving the presser foot out of the way. After that, you want to make sure that the needle is in the highest possible position and leaving it there. Then you push the little lever down at the bottom to gain access to the blades, and you move the panel out of the way as well. This way you can get access to all of the components. Then you unscrew the bolt at the top, but at the same time pushing the blades down like that. After you've done that, you tighten the bolt back up so that the blades don't move, and you unscrew that bolt there, and you can simply take out the bottom blade. To do the top blade, you simply unscrew the bolt here on the side, all the way out, and then you can take the blade out like that. Now when doing this, you have to be very careful as the blades are extremely sharp and you don't want to cut yourself. That's how you get the blades out. Now to put them in, you follow the same process but in reverse. You put the bolt back in at the top after putting the blade in. You don't want to make it too tight, as you can cross thread the threads inside, so you want to just nip them up. To put the blade in at the bottom, you slide it back in into the holder, and you want to make sure that it is flush with the needle plate. Once you've done that, you tighten up the bolt on the side. And again, you don't want to go too tight over it, you want to just nip it up. After that, you loosen the bolt here for the spring again, and once you feel that it's getting some resistance by moving the top blade 1 millimeter below it, you tighten up the top blade, and then you check the movability of the bottom blade, and because there's a spring in there, you want to push the spring out as far as it goes, and that's when you tighten up the bolt for the spring. That's how you change the blades. As you can see, you are getting a very clean cut afterwards. As you can see, you are getting no dodgy edges around the side. For any other questions, please leave a comment below, or message us or email us through our website, and we will try and explain anything else to the best of our ability. Thank you very much.